On the previous video, we poured some petrol, we cleaned out the carburetor, we cleaned out the radiator, we even plugged the battery, and we also started the car. Today we are about to move the car because I'm going to use it as my new daily. You can see that I'm struggling to put the car on the right position. I'm even closer to the black Corolla, and I'm hoping that I won't scratch it, but unfortunately I already made a scratch on the door, as you can see. So the position is really narrow, and I hope I'll be able to pass. At this point, I'm already hyped that the car is going to pass through without me moving the black Corolla, because I thought I have to move it so that I'll be able to pass, but there will be no need for me to do that job. First thing first, I have to clean the interior so that the car will be clean and comfortable to sit in. Even my passengers will be comfortable enough to sit and relax with no worries. So I'm going to take everything that belongs to the bin and put them to the bin, things that I'm going to use on the other side. So I'm going to make sure that the car is extra clean. So I'm going to have to use a glove in order to clean this filthy dirty car, because it has a lot of disgusting things in it. So we're going to keep on going until the car is clean. I'm going to remove the seat so that I'll be able to clean under them. So to remove them, there's one bolt over here and there's another one here, and there's two at the back. But for this one, we only have two bolts like crossed. So we're going to remove them using a 14mm socket. So we're going to remove the front and we go to the back, then we remove the seat. So now the seat can be removed. So it's easy as that. Next is the driver's seat, which is hard to remove because it is welded on. I don't know why the previous owner welded the seat on the vehicle, but I tricked the seat by removing certain points so that I'll be able to remove the seat without unbolting it. So after that, we are going to clean the carpets. To properly clean out the carpet, we first need to remove the carpet from the vehicle. This type of carpet have two parts, the front and the back. So to remove the carpet, we need to start with the back. So to take out the back, we need to remove the safety belt, then the rear bench, then the center console to remove the carpet from the vehicle. Then we'll go to the front carpet. To remove the carpet, we first need to remove the center console that is closer to the dashboard and the trim pieces that are on the sides, so that we'll be able to remove the carpet. So anything that is on the way, we're going to remove it. You can see I'm putting all the effort by using a kitchen knife. So now we have found treasures, things that I'm going to be using and things that were left out and things that I was looking for, things that were missing from this vehicle. So I'm going to keep them and put them safe so that we'll be able to use them next time. So we're going to remove anything that is in the way of the carpet getting out. With the carpet, I'm going to clean them, then I'm going to paint them black because the gray looks so fainted. So black is the color that I'm going to go with. The dashboard looks so bad. 6 months ago when I used to drive this car, some interior pieces would fall off from this dashboard. So I'm going to clean the dashboard, then I'm going to try to tighten everything that is loose on the dashboard and try to clean the cluster if it's possible. I'm done cleaning the carpet and respraying them black. They look better than before. I've put the carpet back in the vehicle so that I'll be able to tighten every single piece of the dashboard that is not tight enough. So I'm going to start off with the glove box, since it is the one that is always falling off while I'm driving, usually when I'm going through bumps and potholes. So the other parts will fall off after the glove box, so I'm going to go to them after. I'm going to tighten everything. If possible, everything will be in order, hopefully. At this point, I'm already putting everything back together the way it came out. We're going to start with the seat, then we go to the safety belt, then the center console. I already put the carpet back in the vehicle, so the interior is almost done, even though we're missing some trim pieces. As you can see, the cluster is so dirty, so I have removed some pieces so that I'll be able to take out the cluster. So it is difficult to take out the cluster. I even broke some pieces from the cluster, but I'm able to take it out, as you can see over here. Now that the gauge cluster is exposed, I'll be able to clean it, and I even found that it has no screws, so I'm going to put some few screws so that it will be tight enough and there won't be any dust coming in the cluster again. Before I call it quits, I need to fix these 2 wires so that I'll be able to use a switch in order to keep the car running. These 2 wires, their main job is to keep the car running. That's it. So I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to put a switch. I have a switch from the other Corolla, so I'm going to take that and put it on this vehicle. Now that the switch it is in, so we're going to test if the switch actually works. When I flip the switch, I can hear the fan turning on, which means that the switch works. So on to the next thing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.